Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. Oh God, it's hot out here. Happy Monday, everybody. I ran to the post office and then we ran to Dollar Tree to grab some orange foam pumpkins because one of our great friends here told me one of the Dollar Trees by me had the orange pumpkins. So I found these wooden boxes at Dollar Tree. If you've all been following me, you saw how I did a Christmas one, a Valentine's Day one. Well, now I'm doing a Halloween one. And wait till you see how cute it comes out. Okay, I bought this styrofoam from the Dollar Tree. Now you do have to cut it. So I just held it up to the box and I used a knife and I just cut it. And I left the plastic on it and it fits perfect in the bottom. It fits perfect. Then I found these flowers at the Dollar Tree. There's black and there's purple and they have eyeballs in them and they have spiders on them and like little branches. Aren't they cute? Look at the spiders. Okay, got those. I got 3 of each of those. And then I got these orange glittery picks that are kind of like stick looking things. Because I thought I need to bring some orange in. I probably could have just did orange and black, but I like the purple too. Okay, so we're gonna start. I don't have one pre-made, guys, because I did not buy enough flowers. So we are just gonna start. And I just kind of try to alternate my flowers. I kind of try to alternate like purple, black, and get the eyeballs up front. I want some eyeballs. Let's see. I want a purple up front. I don't want too much black. Let's see. This one's kind of tall. I'm going to stick it in the back. I'm not hitting my styrofoam. There we go. Then you have to like play with the spiders too to get them. I'm trying to see. It's hard. I want you to see the front. Okay, I need another purple. We need a purple here. Let me try to stick it in there. Then another black. Whoops, my spider fell off. My spider fell off. I'll have to see where he goes. Oh, there he goes, here. Okay, let me look at it a second here. I want some flowers bent downwards. I need some black up front there. Black, purple. And let's see. Oh, that spider does not want to stay on. All right. He does not want to stay on, that spider. And I kind of want him bent out. Okay, I got to spread my spiders out. And I gotta bring out some shorter flowers to the side. I need another purple up here. That gosh darn spider. I'm gonna have to glue him on. We're gonna have to glue that spider on. All right, let's see. I'm trying to, it's kind of hard. I gotta keep playing with it. You have to play with it to get, you know, what you want. My spiders need to get stretched out. Okay, I need to add my orange stuff. Yeah, I need to add my orange in first. But this is what I'm looking like. Here's what we're looking like. but we need orange. I kind of spread them out like this. And then I gotta see where I'm putting it. Here. You can make this your own. You may not like the purple and black flowers in here. You may want black, but I couldn't find any orange flowers. So I went with the orange picks. These glitter picks. And I kind of try to spread them out. So let's see. Ugh. Okay. I want to spread them out. This little guy still needs to go back on. All right. I'm trying to decide. I think I should add more black flowers here. I don't want it to look empty on the sides. So we're gonna stick that there. And I think I might add another orange pick. Let's see if I add another orange one to the back part, because this is what I'm looking like. And I think I want some more orange. Oh goodness, now my flower fell out. I'm playing with them too much. Okay. Okay, I'm not pulling the orange to the front because I have to show you what I found to go in here. But look at the eyeballs. How cute are these eyeballs? Okay. So here is, it's kind of hard for me to show you, but like this is what it's looking like this. Now you guys can do them however you want. I'm sure some of you are better at floral than I am, and I am probably gonna have like glitter all over me. Okay, wait till you see what I got. Now on my other ones, I stuck a candle in the center. I kind of want a spider up there, up front. I'm just looking to see where I could pull one from. Could pull this guy around. Could pull that guy around, pull this guy around. All right. Okay, I think I got my spiders. Okay. So here it is. Now where do I show you what I got found? Okay, I don't know if you've all seen these. Oh, I left. They come in different colors. They come in orange. And they come in purple. Look at these spider candle holders. And they come in a black. But how cute are these little guys? So I wanted to use the orange because I tried the purple. Oh gosh, that spider. I tried the purple and it just didn't stand out enough. So I just wanted to use this spider somewhere. So you gotta kinda, because he's just going to sit in there. So, and I want to see his legs. So you got to kind of play with them to see where he is going to sit good. Let's see. I want him like in the middle. Okay, there. There he is. Let me turn his light on. Okay, this spider I'm going to have to glue. I'm going to have to hot glue him on there. Oh, wait. I got to fix my flower here because It's looking a little empty there. Okay, wait. Wait, I gotta fix it. I think I might need this tall flower up there to hold my spider in there. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay. All right. Here it is. How cute is this little spider? So I wanted the little spider on the top. But how cute. So, okay, so I used 4 black. Let's see, because I did buy 4 of each. Okay, so I used 3 black, 3 purple. I used 6 stems of flowers and 3 of these orangey picks. And I wish there was a better way to secure him in here. You gotta kind of play with them. And when you set it where you want it, I gotta look at it. Then you can set your spider in there. So he'll stay. Moving it around doesn't help me much, but there he is. But I love the spider in it. I love the spider in it. How cute is he? And my little tea light. And the tea light is a timer tea light. And I get those from Amazon. And you can find them on my recommended products page. But I hope you like this little this little centerpiece idea. I'm trying so you can see the whole thing. But how cute is this? Okay, so if you like my little centerpiece idea, now by all means, you don't have to use these flowers. But it's Halloween. It's a Halloween box, so I wanted to stick to the Halloween. I was going to put like black doily type of things around the top, but I didn't want to cover the Halloween Spooktacular, scary, spooky stuff. Spooktacular have a spectacular Halloween, sorry. So I didn't want to cover that up. So I didn't put anything coming down the back or sides or front of it. Okay, guys, thanks for joining me. Decorate the page if you like the video, and I'm going to pick someone to win this little centerpiece on Wednesday. Thanks for joining me. Bye.